Hello, my brave sketcher. I'm happy to see you here on my already, I could not believe it, 70th. It's really 70. Yes, it's true, 70th episode of my urban sketching big adventure. And today we are going to draw roofs, very quick sketches. So no, not a long introduction. I just I forgot to ask you on the previous video yesterday that here on this picture with wires, this picture is from that episode. I will put the link to it here if you missed it, because it was super fun, maybe one of my favorite episodes of this series. And I would like to add some character somewhere here, maybe realistic, maybe not, maybe something unusual, something crazy, because here I'm depicted the imaginary city of Tricksterburg. That's why you can imagine any character. I just ask you to give me your suggestions. What can I draw here? Maybe these Japanese girls in this school uniform. Maybe kitsune, this fox, this girl fox. Maybe something, because this reference was from Japan. That's why I have that vibe in my mind. But if you can suggest me something different, just let me know, and we will. I can draw here some character which was invented by your imagination. And I also would like to tell you that I just finished my live stream where we were drawing something very funny and very green, a 10 of very fast, ugly sketches. If you missed that episode, or if you would like to warm up before our today's main practice, you can go there and watch this video. But it is not for watching, it is just for participating. So you can explore that live stream, because it was very funny and a lot of interesting suggestions for my upcoming videos and streams, and I would like to discuss it with you. But because we had that stream, now I am very short of time, so I will draw, I don't know, 5-7 minutes for, you see, I was drawing in that stream in the morning 6 minutes, 10 times for 6 minutes, and now it will be the last one 6 minutes for today. So I will do it, and after that we will summarize what we have. I'm about to set a timer, but before it I would like to show you my today's reference. It is shot by me here in Serbia, in Belgrade. It is the typical view to the roofs in the center. So I'd like to depict it, and we are not paying much attention to the sky, just roofs, maybe this part also. And I'm going to spend only 6 minutes for it, because I already told you why I do it. So that's it for today. And you can see that even in 6 minutes, we can draw some very fast, very emotional sketch, and maybe it is even not worse when in a comparison what we do normally. So I will upload my sketch into my Telegram channel. The link will be as usual in the description, so you can observe my sketch and my photo reference. I also added there, and if you'd like to, you can draw using my reference, and I will be able to observe your own interpretation of it. And as for me, when you don't know how to draw something, what to do, just give yourself only 5-6 minutes, and you will find a solution how to do it, how I did it here. So that's it for today. The link is in the description to this sketch, and of course I encourage you to find your own roofs and to make a quick sketch of your own roof, and you can show me them into my Telegram channel, and I can give you some feedback, some words of support and encouragement, and just upload your sketch and a couple of words about yourself, about who are you, where are you from, and about your today's emotions and feelings during this sketching practice. And it's time to announce our tomorrow's topic. It will be, in the middle part of this project, we are drawing more intermediate things, not as we do on the first week, but tomorrow I would like to make it more easy, and I suggest the topic for tomorrow: the smallest, the tiniest house which you can find. I already found super cute, very tiny building in real life. It is not a toy. I will show it to you tomorrow, and you have the whole day to find your own photo reference, or maybe to make a photo from the streets. Very small building, house, which we are going to sketch tomorrow. And thank you so much for being with me today, for doing something ugly and creative. Enjoy your sketching practice, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.